aside no kwa review edeba answering religious errors dwumadie so ebretwem kaka me no ebehwe adesua say 5 people baptism will not save yonkofa ahodo enum bi wo ho a esubo entumi nje wo nkwa na me woti ase se yedi kan nkoda ye bo mu esu sa esubo no entumi nje sa nkoda ne nkwa nti wo sa category ni mu a wo ya koda na ye bo wo esu ana se wusua ana ye bo wo esu a sa esubo no entumi nje wo nkwa. And then we know what we a second group of people are subo into me and your mom. And who are these people? These people are subo any obia on him and I say always for wrong reason. Your people are they baptized for wrong reason. Because I didn't person your people ono no asoro no otimo no ana asoro esubo no boboye no eyasemi obi ka kire mpempis ye twibe nipa no na ye nipa no edi nkoma ye de adoye bi asoro ne ye de go a ni bibi wuye ene ye be ya adoye ene ohwa adoye no ho ene ohwa edin no so no asoro we ni kobi na asam tumi am se ya na ye be ya mame enti dia sa dia momosu. This is wrong reason. Say esubo we every didie mu entumi ngene nkwa eye bribi nti nti se ni pase bribi si botaye odo ba asafo no mu no se wo miti sa botaye no a na ne didie apa se ne didie no engine the right reason. This is a wrong reason. Sa ni pase subo entumi ngene nkwa ya ngofo bebre won so a wo mu kun ti no mo aso they don't know the reason ni kun na force no on fro no ani pemu ni kun na force no ni yire bi na force no ne djuma mpanyin bi se wan ba so na obeyine now they have a business am menfe sa ni pet sa no esubo entumi nje wonwa ya ngofo bi wo so a se woni wo mu sua de a ne de hu ebi a kire ya wo koye no akwakowu ebi a kire ya wo koye no akwakowu nti that ehu na ebeba ni mo no ehu a wo dia hye ne mu nti no ene sa na te ebi a na kire mewu isa na te bomesu wan bomesu a ebi a na mewu bomesu ni pet sa no esubo entumi nje wonwa. This the group of people are subo entumi enye omonko. We share the book of Acts 1. You are very for the Simon and Sosra. Our boys will be your gidini. The motive for the boys no anything. Oh, who Philip and what dear Philip ye. No, Shelly, you know, and no, Philip to me no essay lady. And so therefore, our boys, the motive we say, what boys you know, on so there being just hard, do much a year, no, so up perform a miracle. A Philip a year ni na asomafo no eba John ani Peter ede won sa guanu anu bi so mo nya sa do ma chede ni bi onian se we na mehwehwe enam we sunti ena me ba asafo no mu we sunti na me ma ho kwan ye bo mesu ene ye me nso me nkọ na me konya sa do ma chede ni bi okọ Peter ni John chen edi sika ko se enuano mo so mam sa do ma chede yi na me nso ede me sa gu obi so a wotumi ati akọ wanya honde amana ho na Peter and John say o ka say bi diska e na to Nyankopon tumi no musika e na wo yina anyira na onua no enya no hu bebre onu no ho afi na dwen ba na ho say no this is a wrong reason inti e video obeti ase nie nti a e wo so oba asafo no nie nti o wa asafo no no when we onua we is a wrong reason mentality o de ba asafo no. All this kind of people esubo entumi njo sanse I was say what tia se e we subo kwan so. One typical example of Acts chapter 81 36 to 37 onu bi a ye fra no eye Enoch the Ethiopian Enoch no eka ye tie nia oyeye Philip ni di nkomo emra okosom ye oba Philip ni di nkomo efa no huma bia na okenken Isaiah chapter 53 sa homa na okenkan no na ntiase eni nia okenkan ni mo na hongonko ko Philip njense onko nua ni che eno ne enkoso ade na odi onua nche obi sanse woti nia okenkan na se ose da bi so obi ekire na ofruit na ne tiase nam ne mo on chekire no Nyankopon akwan ene ne tumi If you know ebetias here, no munientia was oboesu for wrong reason. Nienti asemwa unuano ekaye echere Philip. Omokodu esubi verse 36 of Acts chapter 8. I was saying. Now, as they went down the road, they came to some water, and the eunuch said, "See, here is water. What hindered me from being baptized?" Then Philip said, "If you believe with all your heart, you may." And he answered and said, "I believe that Jesus is the Son of God." In the answer, you have to understand the reason why you are being baptized. You don't baptize for any reason. But when we say Christo be woman, we born into a Christo be woman, get that conviction before you baptize. Any other than that, we subo entering your. So the second group of people I subo entering your home. I for wrong reason. Only other for person about with you. Yet the third group of people like subo entering your home. At the aba, only in shame you. Bye bye.